Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning student, how are you today? I'm fine too, thank you. So are you ready to study now? Good, before we start learn today, it's better if we pray together. Pray start. Enough. Anybody knows what we are going to learn today? That's right, so we are learn today is square perimeter, rectangle square perimeter, and triangle perimeter. So open your book, open page 56. The meaning of square, rectangle, and triangle. A square is a two-dimensional with four equal edges and has four angles, all of which are right angles. The most memorable flat shape are squares. This flat shape has four sides that are the same length, has a symmetrical shape with both sides facing each other. The hallmark of a square is number one, that it has four equal sides. Number two, it has four angles of 90 degrees. 3 has four axes of rotation and folding symmetry. A rectangle is a two-dimensional flat shape formed by two pairs of sides, each of which is the same length and parallel to its partners, and has four angles, all of which are right angles. The hallmark of rectangle is that number one, it has four sides, two width and two length. Number two, it has four right angles that are equal, which is 90 degrees. Number three, has two diagonals that intersect into two equal parts. Number 4, it has two fourth axes of symmetry. A triangle is a flat shape bounded by C-side and has the vertices. The hallmark of a triangle is that number 1, it has three equal angles which are 60 degrees. Number 2, it has three folding axes of symmetry. Number 3, and it has three axes of rotational symmetry. Perimeter is defined as the total length of the outline of a plane figure. Imagine you have a fence that surrounds your land or house. To find out the total length of the fence, you need to calculate the perimeter of your land or house. One way is to calculate the length of the fence manually, but to make it easier, you can use the formula for the perimeter of flat shape. Perimeter is the number of sides in a two-dimensional buildings. Square, rectangles, and triangles are included in two-dimensional buildings. How to calculate the perimeter? Calculate the perimeter just by adding up the sides of the shape. Number 1, square. Square has four sides. The formula the perimeter of a square is 4 times the side. Take a look at this example. The side of the square is 65 centimeters. Then 65 centimeters is entered into the formula, namely 4 times 65 centimeters is 260. Number 2, rectangles. Rectangles has two sides and two legs. The formula for the perimeter of rectangles is 2 in length brackets plus y. Take a look at this example. The length of the rectangle is 8 centimeters and the width is 6 centimeters. Then that number is entered into the formula, namely 2 in bracket 8 plus 6 equals 2 times 14. 2 times 14 equals 28. Number 3, triangles. The formula for the perimeter of triangle is A plus B plus C. Here I have an example. The side ABC of the triangle are 5. A equals 5. B equals 12 centimeters, C equals 13 centimeters. Then, the number is entered into the formula, namely 5 centimeters plus 12 centimeters plus 13 centimeters equals 30 centimeters. So, the perimeter of a triangle this is 30 centimeters. Okay, class, we will stop here. Any question before we go? Before we close round today, it's better if we pray. Pray start. Now, I'll see you again tomorrow. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.